potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability may be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, so even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for
weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware,
Delaware,
waters from Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape May, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay.
Wico.
This concludes the weekly check of the
marine,
weather
the
radio.
coastal waters from
Great Lake Inlet, New Jersey south to Chiniquoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay hazard.
This concludes the weekly check of NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards.
What the hell was that?